AI never takes a break, and this week has been totally wild. We've got a new open source image generator and editor this week. This new AI agent is like the first step towards AGI. Google's new AI can create full explanation videos with an engaging tone, text, and slides. Anthropic just released Claude 4, and they're saying it's the best coding model out there. Google rolled out some huge AI updates at their I/O event this week. This week, we got another video generator that can make videos in 4K. Microsoft also launched a bunch of really handy open source tools and much more. So let's dive right in. This week, Google held their annual I/O event, where they unveiled several significant updates related to artificial intelligence. This includes VO3, widely regarded as the best video generator available today, and it has the impressive capability to create audio alongside the video. Plus, they released Imagen 4, which is one of the top image generators available today, allowing you to create stunning images with resolutions of up to 2000. It's also great at making text and typography, so you can whip up comics like this, just like OpenAI's GPT-4 O-Image. They've got a free coding agent named Jules, a free UI design platform called Stitch, and a super realistic real-time AI assistant you can chat with or even show your camera to ask questions. They put out a bunch of stuff in I/O 2025. Google Meet has also introduced AI simultaneous translation for the first time. It can automatically switch languages while preserving the speaker's tone, making cross-language online meetings smoother. Currently, this model only supports English and Spanish. Next, Notebook LM update. This week, Google's Notebook LM tool announced it will soon include a video preview feature. Currently, this feature only supports English, allowing you to add corresponding text, charts, and images, while audio preview voice, making podcasts more visually appealing. Next, Sparkify is a new experimental product from Google which can quickly turn any complex conceptual knowledge into an intuitive animated short video. From the demo, you can see Sparkify explaining the origins of bubble tea and the principles of bread making. This tool is suitable for educational scenarios, making the learning process more engaging with intuitive visuals.
Ever wonder what city squirrels really do when we're not looking? Their day is more complex than you might think. First, breakfast. It's a constant scavenger hunt, using keen noses to find buried treasures left by picnickers or nature's bounty. But finding isn't enough. They cleverly cache their finds, dairying nuts in hundreds of spots, relying on amazing spatial memory. Navigating the urban jungle is an art form. Power lines become highways, rooftop stepping stones. Incredible agility. Did you know their bushy tails aren't just for balance? They're communication flags, signaling mood and warnings to fellow squirrels. Observe the fleck. Home sweet home requires constant upkeep. They gather soft yarn leaves and sturdy knit twigs to build cozy drays high in the trees. City life presents unique challenges. Witness the sheer ingenuity needed to outsmart obstacles designed to keep them away. Pure determination.
Click the link below the video to see more demo animations and join the early wait list. Next up, we've got an open source new image generator. This one's called Bagel. It's from ByteDance and they've already released everything. So, it's kind of like a multimodal, like Google's Gemini or OpenAI's GPT-4o. You can chat with it like a regular AI chatbot, but you can also tell it to generate pictures, edit images, or ask it any questions about pictures. Basically, it's got really good vision skills. Here are some examples. If you upload a math question image and ask it to solve X, it actually does it. You can also just upload a movie scene image, ask it for a little intro to the movie, and it'll nail it, telling you it's The Godfather, directed by blah blah, and give you some info about it. And in this example, it generate image. Prompt is a macro photography of a strawberry intricately sculpted into the shape of a hummingbird in mid-flight. You can also edit existing images too. Say you upload an image and prompt it with, "He squatted down and touched a dog's head." That's exactly what you get. Or if you upload something and write, "She picked up a piece of paper with bagel number 1 on it," that's what you get. You can easily swap objects too. Like, you can replace the dog with a little boy. As usual, demos are cherry-picked. I tried the model today morning. It's not good at image editing like GPT, though image generation is good, but it struggles with text rendering and human anatomy, like fingers. The cool part is they've released everything for free, download, and offline use. All the models are up on Hugging Face and their GitHub repo. It has all the instructions for downloading and using it on your computer. Just so you know, you need at least 30 gigs of VRAM to run it locally. Next, VideoOcean is a video generation tool based on the OpenSora 2.0 model. It can generate 4K high-definition videos in 5 to 10 seconds. VideoOcean also comes with various templates and effects, and supports automatic background music generation. The cost is only 1/10 of Kling's plan. Click the link below the video to try it for free. New users can log in to receive 100 points. It also supports various ratios and sound effects, which are automatically generated. Although there is a gap compared to mainstream video models, VideoOcean offers a higher cost-performance ratio. You can give it a try. Next up is a super powerful AI. It's called MTV Crafter. The model possesses the capability of utilizing a reference photograph of a character, along with a video depicting human movement to effectively transfer those movements onto the character. Here's another example. It works with flat vector art style and even with multiple characters. If you upload an image containing 4 characters, the system will animate all of them with synchronized movements. The quality isn't particularly great, but they've generously open-sourced everything, making it definitely worth sharing with others. Check out their GitHub repo to see how to set it up on your computer. Next, Vigil Live. Vigil has launched a real-time video generation feature, which can be used during live broadcasts. For example, hosts can replace their image with any character. It can also capture movements and facial expressions in real time. Currently, this feature is only available to paid users, with subscription fees starting at $25. Here is a demonstration screen. You can preview the effect.
John, it's David.
Hi David, it's John.
I know, I called you.
So you did?
I just wanted to try out this new Vigil thing. They gave me some free credits, wanted to see how it worked.
Message from beyond?
Oh no, John. Too soon, buddy.
Maybe for you, but not for me.
Yes, anyway, check it out. You control webcam and control any character.
So some doofus is sitting there controlling you with a webcam?
Yes, precisely.
It's fantastic, but you sound nothing like Mick Jagger.
Alright, next up, Anthropic, who's been pretty quiet for a while, finally dropped their new model, Claude 4, this week. It's their smartest and best performing model so far. Notably, they have actually made available 2 different versions of this, specifically Claude Opus 4 and Claude Sonnet 4. Opus is the bigger one, so it performs better and is built for solving harder problems and doing more complex thinking. You'll mostly find it useful for STEM things like programming, science, and maths. Claude Sonnet is positioned as a more agile and rapid model, optimized for routine and daily operational usage. I've already made a video all about this, so I won't go into detail here. Be sure to check out that video for more info. So even though Google made some crazy announcements this week that grabbed all the attention, Microsoft actually had their build event too and released some cool open source updates. One of them is called NL Web. It's a new open source tool from Microsoft that lets you add an AI-powered chat box to your site. So this is basically a regular chatbot or search thing where users can ask questions about your site or product, and the AI can tell them answers or show them the right pages. This is a free open source framework that's pretty easy for website owners to set up. Plus, it's model agnostic, so you can use whatever model you want with this to make the chatbot work. For example, you can hook up OpenAI's GPT or Google's Gemini or any other models. But you'll have to pay for using the AI models via API, but at least the NL Web framework itself doesn't cost anything. Plus, you can also add MCPs, letting AI grab and work with data from other apps and sources. I'll put a link to the main release page in the description below if you want to know more about this AI. Here's another cool update from Microsoft. You've probably heard of GitHub Copilot. So this is basically an AI that helps you code, and it's built right into VS Code. It's kind of like Cursor or Windsurf. Well, this week they said GitHub Copilot will get a new coding agent. It's a bit different from the usual GitHub Copilot, where you kind of have to team up with it. But with this new coding agent, it handles everything on its own in the background. It's smart enough to handle super complex stuff that needs edits in many different code files, and after it's finished, it'll set up a pull request for you to look over and merge. By the way, this is just like how OpenAI's Codex works, which they released last week. It's also like Google's Jules, which came out this week too. Good news, this agent feature is free right off the bat, so even if you're on the free GitHub Copilot plan, you still get 50 agent mode or chat requests every month. Next, this one is really powerful. Recently, Agent Mio launched. Zoe released the world's first Neo agent that supports unlimited context. Agent Mio can handle unlimited workflow steps. It supports long-term cloud execution and features a nested agent hierarchy. In benchmark tests, Flow with Mio surpassed OpenAI Deep Research and Manus Agent in the Gaia test. In terms of experience, Flow with Mio can update the planner in real time based on task progress and supports scheduled delayed tasks. It can work around the clock. Meanwhile, Flowit Neo's input and output lengths can be unlimited. Flowit believes that unlimited context is the path for agents to evolve into AGI. Currently, this tool is still in internal testing and can only be accessed via an invitation code. Alright, next up there's this super strong AI called UniVGR1, a new vision language model that's awesome at analyzing any pictures and its fine-tuned version of Quen. Here are some examples. Imagine you provide 4 different images and request the system to identify the shared object among them, and then pinpoint its location in the 4th image. The common object is the zebra, and it finds the zebra in the 4th image. It's quite effective at identifying and spotting differences between 2 images. You can upload one image and have it automatically locate that specific image within another image. Here's another tricky one. Check out the creative girl in image number 1. Which object in image 2, either 1, 2, or 3, best reflects her characteristics? Find it and locate it in image 2. It utilizes profound thinking in its responses, similar to DeepSeek number 1 and other leading models in the field. It requires some time and computing power to thoroughly think through its answer before providing a response. Doing that helps it perform better in complex visual analysis tasks. Finally, after much consideration, it figured out that the right answer is indeed number 3, which is the drawing shown here. Other vision models couldn't get this right. When you compare UniVGR1 with other vision language models of a similar size, you'll notice that it consistently outperforms them all in a wide range of various benchmark scores, demonstrating its superior capabilities. That's how good it is. Anyway, they've released the models on Hugging Face, which are available for you to download, utilize, and even fine-tune to suit your specific needs. All the links are here, and it seems like a free online demo is coming soon, so I'll link to the main page in the description for more info. That's the end of today's show. Thank you all for your support and watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave comments. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. See you in the next episode, and as always, I will be on the lookout for the newest and coolest AI tools to share with you. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.